Hello friends, welcome to CAD 360. In this tutorial you will learn how to calculate area in AutoCAD. To calculate area in AutoCAD, you have four methods. First method is using area command. Area, then press enter. Now object, enter, then select the object. So we have here Polyline, and after that it will show you the total area and length. So total area is 214.8861 and the length is 59.6232. Okay, now the second method is using measure geometry command. Okay, press enter. Now we have five options here. We are going to measure area, so AR enter, then again O enter for object, and then select the object which is Polyline, and it will show you the total area and length, the same area and the same length. Okay, now the third method is using list command. Press enter, then select the object which is Polyline, then press enter, and it will show you the total area and the length of that object. You can see it clearly here. Okay, now the fourth method is using properties command. Press enter and it will open the properties panel. Next you have to select the object which is Polyline, and it will show you the total area here and the length of that particular object. So in this way you can measure or calculate area in AutoCAD by using these four methods. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, then please subscribe for more tutorials.